Welcome to Overgo World, the channel for all things tech, vacations and holidays. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of the latest videos. Today I have here the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean 9000 series. This is the Power Toothbrush Special Edition model, and as you can see, it boasts a whole bunch of features with Bluetooth connectivity to the Sonicare app, built-in pressure and brush head replacement sensors, various accessories for your toothbrush including a charging base, travel case and brush heads, as well as a warranty guarantee. So let's get straight into the unboxing and check out what we have inside. Inside you have the charging base, travel case, replacement brush heads, and of course the toothbrush itself. The 2-year warranty comes as standard, but I would definitely advise registering your product within 90 days to unlock 1 extra year of warranty. Since this is a special edition, the toothbrush comes in 2 colour gradient options, silk pink to white or aquamarine, which is what I have chosen. Now Philips claim whiter teeth are just 3 days away with this brush. So there are 4 different modes you can use. Clean, and you click the button underneath the power button to cycle through 3 different intensities, low, medium and high. Or when the brush is off, you use that same button to change mode to white plus, gum health or deep clean plus. I like the stylish ergonomic design, and it's great that you can focus your brushing on specific quadrants, as the brush automatically alerts you at regular intervals before turning off after 2 minutes. You also get the compact travel case with space for your toothbrush and 1 brush head. This comes as standard with the special edition toothbrush option. Philips advertised an operational battery life of 14 days for its rechargeable lithium-ion battery, but if you're away travelling for long periods or you would just prefer to have a charging case, then you still can. But bear in mind that the charging case is only offered with the pink or black colour toothbrushes, and what you can't do is something like this, where you just use an existing case from an older Sonicare model. The toothbrush charges via this charging base dock, and that has a 2-pin adapter. The voltage is 110 to 220 volts. With my purchase, I received 4 C3 Premium Plaque Control brush heads. These heads easily click onto the DiamondClean 9000 handle, and whilst in use, the brush head not only uses brush sync technology to select the most appropriate cleaning mode, but also detects pressure. So if you're a bit heavy-handed while brushing, the toothbrush will alert you through a pulsing sound and by vibrating the handle. The Sonicare app provides a personalised experience by tracking your performance over time and offering progress reports to help keep you on track. Overall, I'm very satisfied with the DiamondClean 9000. Compared to previous Sonicare models, this one definitely seems superior. It has a sleek design and an impressive high quality feel to it. I admit that the Sonicare app may not be as good as competitors like Oral-B, especially at this premium price point. So if functionality of the companion app is important to you, then you might be left feeling a little underwhelmed with the Sonicare app. However, that certainly has not put me off this brush, and I'm very happy with it. Thanks for watching, and as always, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video.